The feud unfolded before Guam Housing Authority commissioners, GHURA Deputy Director Fernando Esteves in one corner, Attorney General Douglas Moylan in the meeting on the defense. In a series of back-and-forth letters between GHURA, AG Moylan, and his father, Richard Moylan, the Housing Authority just wanted them to disclose the relationship in what the agency notes is a conflict under the Section 8 program, all while the AG had just won the election.
Further conflict exists because the Attorney General Douglas Moylan, responsible for defending the position of GHURA, may be in fact exacerbating the conflict.
Statutes that he's citing, they don't say that the Attorney General can't rent out property to Section 8, the federal program. All it is that I cannot practice law outside of being the Attorney General, which I contend Mr. Esteves has blown way out of proportion because he doesn't understand the facts of what happened.
GHURA has since sent notices to terminate their contract, giving tenants a short time to move out. GHURA contends the landlords agreed to the conflict prohibition, which aims to prevent any illegal financial gain and influence for those in the program. Though AG Moylan gave GHURA notice he withdrew as legal counsel for his father, Esteves disagreed that letters were countersigned by the AG himself.
The signature by Attorney General Douglas Moylan to be improper and has perceived the action as a veiled threat against the agency in the future conduct of responsibilities and functions between GHURA and the Office of the Attorney General.
Esteves adding the issue has left GHURA without legal counsel. He's pointing the blame to the Attorney General, referring to the situation as unethical and improper.
I take the dispute with all of Mr. Esteves's ethical allegations against me that I violated any law, including the Attorney General statute that says that I cannot practice law. I believe that it is defamatory to me and puts me in a position of having to defend myself illegally.
AG Moylan contends GHURA is violating his rights under the program, adding he was never required to disclose a conflict under his current office. Still, Esteves is sticking to his guns.
We recommend that the Board of Commissioners uphold our actions conducted in good faith and reconfirm that conflict of interest procedures remain in operational function.
Commissioner Frank Ishizaki and Vice Chair Monica Guzman stunned over the agency's findings.
Wow, that was pretty heavy.
This is a lot to absorb in one sitting.
It is very deep, very heavy, and like Vice Chair says, there's a lot for us to digest.
The Board of Commissioners decided to find some legal guidance before deciding what to do with the Moylan's case. AG Moylan did say his office has attorneys that can step in while he disqualifies himself from GHURA matters. Ultimately, the clock is ticking for them to make a final decision, as it is the tenants, families that have to face moving out.